Welcome to the Rolex factory. Today, we'll show you how Rolex gold watches are made. From raw gold to the precision timepieces worn around the world.
The Rolex manufacturing process begins with high-quality gold bars, carefully sourced and delivered to the factory. Each gold ingot is closely inspected for purity to meet Rolex's strict standards. The gold is melted down in industrial furnaces, ready to be turned into an alloy suitable for Rolex watches. Rolex creates its own proprietary gold alloy, mixing pure gold with platinum and copper to ensure a distinctive finish.
The metals are melted at extremely high temperatures to form a uniform alloy, which is crucial for both aesthetics and durability.
The molten alloy is poured into molds and cooled to create solid ingots, which will then be rolled into sheets.
The cooled blocks are inspected to ensure consistency and the perfect starting point for the watch components.
Once cooled, the alloy blocks are inspected for quality and uniformity.
The blocks are carefully checked for defects before they are sent to the next phase of production.
The solidified alloy is fed into rolling machines, where it is flattened into thin sheets, preparing it for use in watch components. These sheets are then used to create various components, like the watch cases, bracelets, and links. Once rolled, the gold sheets are cut into blanks to be further shaped into watch components.
The blanks are then pressed into the precise shape of a watch case, using high-pressure molds.
Every gold piece is carefully inspected for perfection before moving on to the next stage of production.
Skilled workers assemble the intricate Rolex watch cases, ensuring each component fits together perfectly.
The watch movement is delicately placed into the case, ensuring perfect alignment. The watch hands are installed and carefully adjusted to ensure perfect timekeeping.
The final step in case assembly is securing the case back, sealing the movement inside,
The bracelet is assembled by hand, ensuring each link is perfectly aligned.
watches are polished to a mirror finish, showcasing the signature Rolex shine.
Once machine polishing is done, the watches are hand polished for that flawless finish.
Look closely at this etching. The depth is slightly uneven here.
I agree. It needs further polishing before sign-off.
The watches are carefully inspected under bright lights to ensure a perfect shine. Each Rolex watch is engraved with the iconic logo and serial number for authenticity.
Final touches are added to ensure the watch looks pristine.
Rolex watches undergo a series of rigorous tests, including water resistance tests to ensure durability. Every watch is tested for precise timekeeping, ensuring that each Rolex is as accurate as it is beautiful. Rolex watches also undergo shock tests to guarantee they can handle the toughest environments.
Each movement is carefully calibrated for precision and reliability.
Before packaging, the watches undergo a final inspection to ensure they meet Rolex's exacting standards.
Once fully assembled and tested, the Rolex watches are placed in their signature luxury packaging.
Every Rolex is carefully packaged to ensure it arrives in pristine condition.
The packaged watches are ready for shipment to authorized Rolex retailers worldwide. The final step is loading the watches onto trucks for global distribution.
Once shipped, Rolex watches are ready to be sold around the world, where they continue their legacy of excellence.
And that's how a Rolex gold watch is made, from raw gold to a luxury timepiece.
Subscribe to see how other luxury products are made.
And hit the bell icon for more factory tours and process documentaries.